again. Hanggang pa yung birthday ni Moana. Happy birthday. Dumating na ang ating parcel. Look at that. Dalawa, kay daddy yung malaki. Of course, alam niyo na. Yung sa akin, maliit lang. Kasi I'm shy to do more orders. That's why it's too small. Small but 5 times. Meron pa akong dalawang dadating. I have 2 parcels on the way. Maliit lang daw pero ang dami ko pala parcel. Wow, excited yan. Let's open it. Can we close the door? It's cold. What are you doing?
Outside it's warmer than inside, I said.
Ah, okay.
That's why I said outside.
Yeah, but outside is windy. So, i-open natin ang ating. Ito yung ating. Merong book si Moana dito, and then yung terno niya, saka sandals niya. Meron akong mga small things dito. So, I got this one. Yan. Chick. Look at that. Oh, binigyan na tayong pang char-char. Yan, ang in-order ko kay Moana para sa kanyang snacks. Kasi kinakamay niya lahat pa sa school siya eh. Kasi pag ganito, kailangan sa mukha. Look, daddy, oh. Then may mga yan sa animal face. Oh, may sunscreen. Yay! Wow, look, ang ganda ka, blessed. Look at that. Ayan, fake nails. Reusable nails. Oh, wow, this is good. And then, meron tayong pang-cheek. Wow. Daddy, oh, look at my cheek. Ang taray. Ano siya? Oil base. So, which is good. Hi! I love it. Number 2. So, ang kulay niya is ganito lang. Okay lang sa ating balat. Oh. Yeah. Yes, Moana's notebook. And then, meron siyang reusable na pen. Reusable pen. Ayan. Ay, this is cute. Nice. And then, ito ano niya ka-blessed. Oh. Dadan! So, yan ang laman niya. So, pwede si Moana mag-trace. Ito-trace niya. Yan, oh. So, couple tayo. Okay. And then, we are couple. Sus, problema ba yan? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I like it too. Yay! O, di ba, bati na kami. Dalawa na sombrero namin. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, big brother. And, sandals ni Moana. Ayan. Nahuli. Di lumabot sa birthday niya. So, wala sa sandals no ano niya. Wow. So, this is fit to her. Plastic lang ito siya ka-blessed. So, madaling, kayang-kaya lang nang tanggalin. Wow. This is nice. Fashion lang. Pantulog niya. Dadan. Wow, with hoodie pala. Look at that, daddy. Ayan, pantulog na siya ka-blessed. And then, may terno, oh. Ha? So, size 4 itong binili ko. Tingnan natin. Kasi this is my first time that I bought Moana's, intim.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, I'm not sure if 4 or 5. So, but I chose the 4 size. But let's see. It's cool because with hoodie pala. I didn't notice it. And that's it from Moana. Ilagay natin sa isang lagayan para mamaya pag-uwi na from school, meron na naman siyang bubuksan. Alam mo na. Wow, happy yan. Of course, I'm happy too kasi meron tayong ating refillable pen. Wow, sweet. Lagyan na natin ng ball pen para mamaya makasulat na siya pagdating.
For camping.
Okay.
You can sleep in the seat.
Meron din tayo, ka-blessed. Ready for camping! You wanna go with us, mga ka-blessed? Oh. Ay, wow! Fleece ang ilalim. Sana all.
So.
Same, free size lang?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. At least kapag we sleep, no? Yeah, it's good. Oh, ha? Tara na, camping na. Yeah, I like it. Daddy. Yeah. Yeah, salamat. Oh, may sombrero na ako. May ganito pa ako. Ako na talaga. Ayan ka, blessed. May pagwantis tayo. Alam mo naman, tayo is kandingon. Yan. Yung mga order pala ni Amang sa akin din pala yung iba. Okay. At least makakahawak pa ako. Oh, it looks like this. Can you do like this? Wow. Oh yes, you can do like this nga. Look. It's a hoodie. Hoodie pala ito. Wow, ang taray natin. Oh, look at this. I thought it's only like this. Oh.
No.
Yeah, like that lang.
Okay, me too. Yeah, it's colorful.
Yay. Thank you po. Thank you, sponsor.
It's quite bright. I thought it's quite soft.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Yeah, but it's softer in color.
Kaibang color. Para na maiba.
It's still nice.
Oh, yes. Yeah. They're still good. Ooh! Tara na! Camping na! Wow! Look at that, Daddy. See?
I like that colorful.
Yeah.
Makes it more nicer.
Wow!
That's
Yeah.
good because that hoodie is too big.
Yeah.
So if you have something underneath, it easily fit.
Wow. Yay! Di ba? Terno na. Ito, oh. Oh, ha? Ganitay kalaki. Boy leg. Then, sexy. Hanggang sa ka-sexy. Tank. Tayo na talaga. Then, the other one is tank. Assorted ito ka-blessed. Iba-iba ang kulay. Ito isa. Iba-iba kulay. Black, purple, blue, pink, and anong tawag nito? Parang nude. Ewan, basta yun na yun. Then, ito siya puro black. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Apple? But what did school give to you? Hmm? Yes, there. But what did school give to you to eat? Juana, what was your lunch? What was your lunch at school?
Hi. What's that?
Mickey book.
Look. Good night, ka-bless. Tignitura ka.
Good night, blessed.
11 degrees. Gani-gana. Ba't si Moana, oh. Ito pala yung ating nabili kanina. Yung order natin sa Temu. Bagay na bagay sa kanina. Sexy. Sexy Moana, oh. Yee. Sa akin, dinoblihan ko. Kasi nga, ginigina ako ka-bless. Good night, good night. Thank you for watching. Come on, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Good night.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Is Moana pretty? Sana all. Gagala muna tayo ka-blessed. Dito sa Warren River Cedar. Tingnan natin. So yan, napatulay-tulay dito. Oh, only like this.
We go for a walk.
Yeah. Dead river. Maybe before. There is water in here. No, nothing. Yeah. Meron lang pala. Different kinds of frogs. Yan. Motorbike frog daw, Daddy. Moaning frog. And banjo frog.
Probably makes
See?
sense when you hear it.
Ito lang pala yun.
Surely they fill me with water.
Yeah. Before. With water. There.
Plants in here. This is water plant.
Yeah. It's summer, right? So it's dry out na. Ayan lang sa ka-blessing. Wala lang. Ngayon sa ka-exi. Ayun yung sasakyan natin. Akala namin taas-taas pa ang lalakadin. Hindi pala. Balik, balik, balik. Ang lamig-lamig pa. Wala pala. Ang exit lang pala ng tulay na yun. Akala namin ano pa. Pupunta stuck pa doon sa pinakaloob-loob.
Nobody parked.
So walking, ito yung hot ka blessed. Yan na.
That was another minute.
Yeah. Kakatawa lang. Dead end na pala yun. Wala lang. Ito lang pala siya. Walking pa kami daw.
Then we should have gone walking around the lake.
To the bridge.
Oh, yeah, you can walk all the way around. Okay.
Pagkaway ayaw na walking daw. Yan ang lamig-lamig pa.
Oh, it's nice to have a walk, you know.
Yeah.
Where's the bucket?
I don't know. Oh, this one too. Where is this? Wow. Walking. A blessed. Ayan na.
Don't get lost.
Yeah. Yun lang. 10 minutes walk.
Yeah.
Galing. Bahan na tayo ka blessed. At eto, may dumating na naman tayong parcel. Tayo na talaga. We are Team Musuki. We are Team Musuki na ka blessed. So bubuksan natin ito dito. Tama mo anong itsura. Hi. Ayan, let's open our Temu parcel. Scissor, please. Thank you. Aha. Ito yung mga kaik-ikan natin. Dadah. Are they ready?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow.
Mm.
Look at the back.
Mm.
Sexy yun.
They forgot to put the back in it.
Nice color. Mga ano ito ka blessed? Mga pantulog. Oh.
That's nice too.
Hindi na ang likod. Sa labas na naghuli no. Next.
Mommy's goodies.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh. Yan.
Hello, weekend.
And tada. Yeah.
All the same. Hello, weekend.
The black one. Tada.
Mm.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is it. Oh. Another one. This one is nice.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Different style lang. Different style. Oh my goodness! Ay, ingat ka naman. Daddy.
Congregation.
Ah!
Kick me.
Wow! See? We built.
No, just a wrap around.
Yeah.
Mm.
Then if you wear the red.
Hmm.
Oh. Ay, naku naman. Ayan. Tada!
Oh, that's big. Soft.
It's nice.
Mm.
Woohoo! Then may belt siya. Yehey! Yehey! Tada! Oh, diba? You like the color?
Yeah.
No? In the picture is more dark, like maroon.
Well, it is maroon. But not so dark as in the picture.
Looks like it's pink rose. Uh-huh.